As a filmmaker, collaboration is very important. So at Stevenson, we are very close-knit as a community, and so we work on each other's films and we help each other out. In the cinematography track, I get a lot of hands-on experience in a variety of places. In the athletics department, doing sports broadcasting and having my hands on the cameras. I also have experience leading SUTV, the student-run video production team on campus. It's been a huge benefit to me as a filmmaker because I get to work in a collaborative group where we've grown together. I also have a part-time job at Maryland Public Television. I was able to get this job at MPT through contacts and networking within Stevenson. As the project specialist, I'm helping to build the Women's Leadership Forum, and I'm building a YouTube channel where I get to work hands-on with cameras and lights and interview people all around the state. And can you look over at my hand? The film department at Stevenson is great because you can get really close with your professors and your peers, and we always have each other's backs. The film industry being so competitive, being at Stevenson has been a huge advantage.